Here's how to buy copper in Zero DHA. First is go to Zero DHA website and you can go ahead and sign in there as a trading account. Afterwards, once you sign in, you will be redirected on their main dashboard. For you to be able to buy a copper, go ahead and search for copper 17FEBFUT, which is under the MCX coin. And then after pressing on that, what you need to do is to edit the exchange, symbol, option type, net quantity, product, and strike price. And then afterwards, click on the add options. Afterwards, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the correlation changes in daily prices. And then from there, you will see the prices of the copper that you are going to purchase. And then afterwards, you can go to my portfolio options. And then from there, you will see there the copper unit that you just purchased on your end.